The new curriculum provides a unique opportunity to place the mental health of all our young people at the heart of their learning and school experience. We wholeheartedly support the Welsh Government's aim to develop a curriculum that meets the academic, social and emotional needs of all our young people. The recent experience during the pandemic has clearly highlighted how important schools are in promoting and protecting young people's mental health, as well as acting as a point where problems can be identified early and support put in place. This experience and the considerable discussions around the impact of the pandemic more generally on the mental health of young people creates a context where ensuring mental health is at the heart of every pupil's experience as something that has become increasingly important. While some positive steps have been taken, we continue to believe that mental health should be placed as a mandatory part of the curriculum on the same footing as relationships and sexuality education and religion, values and ethics. This would reflect the views of the young people we have spoken to, who say there is not enough time in the school day to discuss issues relating to mental health. If this were to happen and be delivered across the curriculum, this would enable and encourage education professionals to think creatively about when a discussion about mental health could be appropriately introduced. This would not only provide more time, but would normalise the discussion around mental health as something that can appropriately and safely happen at different points of the school day. This would reflect the approach of campaigns such as Time to Change Wales, where encouraging conversations about mental health are promoted as a key part of tackling stigma. It has been hugely positive that the Welsh Government has made a strong commitment to making mental health one of its priority areas within the programme for government. Making this amendment to the bill would be realising that commitment within education policy and legislation. Thank you.